Guitar Frets and YouTube Guitar School. My name is Jörg. We will begin with Beginner's Lesson 1 of YouTube's best resources. To access the individual lessons, click on the links in the description below, and you might have to expand the window to get to all the links. Just a reminder that this lesson will actually not be performed by myself. Rather, I have put together a variety of YouTube videos from some of the best contributors and content builders for your first lesson. You will learn, number 1, Guitar Essentials by Justin Guitar. He's going to explain to you how to hold the guitar and many cool tips about the guitar for beginners. Number 2, Mark, the guitar guy, will show you how to understand chord diagrams. You'll be working with chord diagrams in your learning, and after you watch that video, this will no longer be a mystery. Number 3, you will get a strumming lesson by Justin Guitar, so that you know and learn how to strum correctly. Number 4, you learn 3 chords. The D chord, the A chord, and the E chord. And each of those lessons come from a different person. It's Justin, Mark, the guitar guy, and Andy Guitar. You're going to learn your first 3 chords. Number 5, once you have mastered those chords, then you can take the 1-minute chord changes by Justin Guitar. And in this lesson, you're going to basically learn how to go from those 3 chords back and forth, like D to A, back to D. And basically you can practice that until you can switch very confidently. Number 6, you're going to learn how to strum the 3 chords. And that's brought to you by the Good Guitarists. Number 7, the Good Guitarist also has a list of songs that are in the description of that particular video. So you can choose one, and they all start with the key of A, D, and E. So you can choose one, and maybe that's going to be your first song you will learn. The answer, my friend, is blowing in the wind. The answer is blowing in the wind. Number 8, you will learn the major scale. Mark, the guitar guy, will show you how to do that in his video. Now, before you go and hit all those links down there and start working your way to beginner lesson 1, you need to warm up a little bit. You want to do some stretching. Stretching can include stretching your wrist, pull back on your hand, and let that stretch last for about 10 seconds. Might as well do the other hand too. Do the same thing, right? About 10 seconds, 15 seconds. And do this a couple of times. Get a good stretch. Stretch your fingers, put them together, and really push. Stretch them out really well. Hold that for like 10-15 seconds. Do that 3-4 times, right? Make your fist, stretch out. Make your fist, stretch out. Do that about 10 times. And you can also massage your individual fingers a little bit, right? Kind of flip them back and forth. There you go. Do that with all of them. More so important with your fretting hand. Do some warm-ups before you start playing so you don't injure yourself. If you're a brand new guitar player, then watch my video on building calluses. I will have the link at the end of this video appearing down below. This basically sums up lesson number 1 with 8 different stages. So work your way down from 1 to 8. At your own speed, at your own time, and when you feel confident, then check out lesson number 2 right here on Master Guitar Frets YouTube Guitar School. Thanks for stopping in. I'll see you soon.